There's a quote that a professor once said to me, and it was, "How you do something is how you do everything." And I decided that if I was going to be involved with something, that I was going to at least attempt for 100% effort. We want what we're doing to last for 100 years or more, and our firm really finds value in things that are going to make the home last. I worked for my father a lot of summers growing up. I started as a carpenter. I started wearing my tool bags. The old school method of construction is if you're not sweaty and tired at the end of the day, you didn't achieve anything. And so it didn't matter necessarily what you got done, it mattered how hard you worked. And I was always bothered by, I wanted 5 more minutes to finish something. Aarow Building has been open for 36 years. After owning the company for a couple years and actually operating the same way, I decided that I needed to, by focusing on quality, allow myself to go, okay, well, it's going to take a little bit longer to take the last 5 steps. I wanted to have a name that I could stand behind, a name that my kids could be happy that their dad built that house, a house that is going to be better built, it's going to last longer, and it's going to be healthier and more comfortable to live in. When it comes to a quality build, we have products like AdvanTech that are non-negotiable. The product has performed fantastically, but also the technical support has performed fantastically. Anytime I can have predictable products, it's really easy to just make that part of a system that we adhere to every time. Building a group of architects, engineers, finding the crew that we want to work with or the subs can take time. We really try to look for people that have the same sort of goals in mind. We want people who are interested in quality. We want people that are interested in doing things the right way. I always tell potential new clients that they might look like a bunch of pirates, but they are the most caring craftsmen that I can find. It benefits you that you have a trusted cohort of people that you know are willing to say, this would be better. The process of building is a constant reach for us for improvement. Everything that we're putting out there, being articles or social media stuff, we really want to be able to promote the idea of craftsmanship and quality. We want people to see what's possible. We want people to take craftsmanship seriously, and a rising tide raises all boats. We want everybody to build a better house.